Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PlayStation 4 step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the PlayStation 4 from the box. Carefully remove the console, controller, and all included accessories. Find a suitable location for your PlayStation 4. Ensure there is enough space around the console for proper ventilation. Plug the power cable into the back of the console. Connect the other end of the power cable to a wall outlet. Next, take the HDMI cable and plug one end into the back of the PlayStation 4. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your TV. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Now, grab the DualShock 4 controller. Connect the USB charging cable to the controller. Plug the other end of the charging cable into one of the USB ports on the front of the console. Press the PlayStation button on the controller to turn it on. You should see the PlayStation logo appear on the TV screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by choosing your network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Once connected, the system will check for updates. Allow any updates to download and install. After the updates are complete, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a PlayStation Network account. If you have an existing account, enter your credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new one. After signing in, you'll reach the main menu of the PlayStation 4. Take some time to customize your settings, like adjusting display and audio options. You can now begin to explore and enjoy your new PlayStation 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.